Hey everyone, check out the AnYoker camping chair, a portable, lightweight folding chair perfect for outdoor adventures. Designed with a stable triangular structure, it supports up to 330 pounds for ultimate reliability. Crafted by a designer with 30 years of experience, it features durable aluminum nuts for added strength and a sleek metallic feel. The complimentary backpack bag is versatile, holding your chair plus towels, magazines, or even a laptop. Setup is a breeze with foldable Oxford cloth and metal poles, plus cleanup is simple with just a damp cloth. Ergonomic seating and breathable mesh panels offer excellent comfort and airflow to keep you cool. This chair is globally patented and ready to enhance your camping, hiking, or beach trips with style and function. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.